Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can trade your Cpen token and place an order before the listing time. And at the time of recording this video, we are only left with 25 minutes to the listing time. So guys, I'm going to guide you on how you can place an order. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well and support me by subscribing to this channel and join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, and please share this video and like this video. So guys, like I said, we are only left with 25 minutes to the listing time. And once you come here to your Bitmart exchange, because I'm using my Bitmart exchange to make this video, so if you haven't withdrawn your token from Trust Wallet to Bitmart exchange or to Wit exchange, then make sure you do that before the listing time, or you can swap it to USDT in your Trust Wallet. So guys, once you come to your Bitmart exchange, you are going to click on trade. You can see trade. You are going to click on it. Then once you come here, you are going to click on this icon. You can see this icon. Then you are going to search for Cpen. You can see it here on your screen. You are going to search for Cpen. And guys, once you have searched for Cpen, then you click on it. And if you want to buy this Cpen token, then you are going to click on the limit. You are going to click on this icon. Either you select limit or you select the market. So once you come here, you are going to click on limit. You can see limit here. You click on it and you are going to select market. That is if you want to buy the Cpen token after the listing. After the listing, then you click on market and you are going to buy it. But for now, you can't do market trade. So you click on it and select limit. And once you click on limit, then you come here and you are going to input the amount that you want to buy the Cpen token with and your price. You can see that you click on this plus sign or minus sign, or you click on it and you are going to select your own listing price, your own price that you want to buy the Cpen token with. And you are going to see the amount in dollar. You can see it that 10,000 of Cpen token is equivalent to $40. And here you can see that it's showing me insufficient funds is because that I didn't have up to $40 in my account. So I'm just going to click on sell and I'm going to make my own order. I'm going to place my own order. So I'm going to put 100%. But if you don't want to sell all of your Cpen token, then either you click on 75% or you input the amount of the Cpen token that you want to sell with. So guys, here you can see that if I want to sell, you can see that the amount must be greater than $5. That the amount must be greater than $5. So now if your token is not worth $5, you can't sell it now. So you are just going to wait for the listing time. So you wait for the listing time and then you are going to sell your token. So guys, that is it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment.